How can you create this stroke text effect in Photoshop? First, make sure you have a white background. Go to File, Place Embedded. Insert your image and fit it to the background. Now go to Select Subject. Press Ctrl+J to create a copy of the subject. Select the text tool and type your text. Press Ctrl+T to rotate the text. Position it diagonally or in the middle as you like. Now drag the text layer plus icon to create a copy of the text. Drag the original text layer to the top. Make sure the subject image layer is below. Select the top text layer. Set its fill to 0%. Now go to blending options. Enable stroke. Adjust the stroke settings. Turn on stroke. Set size as showing. Press OK. Now hold the Shift key and select both text layers and link layers. Select the Move tool. Now you can move the stroke text perfectly. And that's it. This is how you create a clean stroke text effect in Photoshop.